Every big dream starts small. And sometimes, it starts with a setback. Back in 1992, my family faced one of the toughest times imaginable. A serious accident left my father with nothing. But instead of surrendering to the situation, he opened a small shop in Kavi Nagar, Ghaziabad. We called it Jain Stores. That little shop wasn't just a business, it was the lifeline of our family. Fast forward to 2009. Life threw another curveball. My father was in another serious accident, and I had no choice but to step in. The truth? I knew next to nothing about running a business. Taxes, suppliers, accounts, it was alien to me. But I knew one thing. This shop was our foundation, and I wasn't about to let it crumble. So I got to work. I started reading books, watching YouTube videos, learning Excel, and even teaching myself accounting. My brother pitched in and helped me understand the basics, and slowly, I started figuring things out. It wasn't easy. I stumbled, I made mistakes, but every mistake was a lesson that pushed me forward. Then, an idea struck. What if we could take our store online? It was a bold thought, but I was determined to make it happen. I hired web developers, but not all of them delivered. Some even disappeared with the money. So I rolled up my sleeves and built the website myself, using nothing but YouTube tutorials. And just like that, toyhome.in was born. At first, it felt like a win. We went live, took orders, and delivered products. But soon, challenges piled up. I didn't know about SEO or digital marketing. Losses mounted, and eventually, I had to shut it down. But here's the thing. I didn't give up. Every failure taught me something valuable. Every setback sharpened my vision. And in 2021, I launched Naivri. Naivri wasn't just another store. It was a promise. Genuine products, transparent pricing, and something parents never expected from an online platform, same-day delivery. We focused on trust, speed, and variety, the things that truly matter to families. But it didn't stop there. Naivri became a platform for collaboration. We started working with other kids' product manufacturers, sharing our e-commerce expertise while learning about their products. Together, we're building something bigger than a store. We're creating a bridge between traditional retail and modern e-commerce. Today, Naivri is growing. It's evolving. It's becoming a trusted friend for parents and families. And honestly, this is still just the beginning. I'm still learning, still improving, still dreaming. Naivri, kids ka trusted dost.